This one is a no-brainer. We've heard about ChatGPT, Google Bard, and God knows what else has come out of the world of AI in 2023. The newest to join the bandwagon is Auto-GPT, touted as a new chatbot that can even predict the future. What is Auto-GPT, the new do-it-all AI tool, and how it works? We explain in this video. Essentially, Auto-GPT is a chatbot. You ask it the questions, it answers smartly. But unlike ChatGPT and other GPT-based chatbots which need a prompt every single time, Auto-GPT can automate the whole task. So, you do not need to prompt it. Once given a task, Auto-GPT will figure out the steps on its own to reach the goal. Auto-GPT is an experimental, open-source Python application that uses GPT-4 to act autonomously. This creates AI agents capable of performing tasks on their own. Auto-GPT can divide its actions into thoughts, reasoning, and criticism. Now, this enables users to understand the AI's actions and motivations very clearly. One example is Chef GPT, which can explore the internet to generate unique recipes and save them without user intervention. Auto-GPT has internet access, long-term and short-term memory management, GPT-4 for text generation and file storage and summarization. Anything you can ask ChatGPT like debugging code and writing an email, you can ask Auto-GPT. On Twitter, users are sharing some of the ways they're using it now, which includes using Auto-GPT to create an app, generate a new startup, tackle complex topics like the future of healthcare and medicine, and also asking it if it can stock themselves on the internet. Auto-GPT is trending because people are fascinated by what it can do and what it could possibly mean for the future. Now, let me take you through some of these experiences, the first-hand ones, on Twitter. One of the AI enthusiasts has gone out to say how this AI agent performs product research and creates summary on the top headphones. Others says he asked Auto-GPT to reimagine the future of health and medicine. So now that you know how advanced Auto-GPT is and all the extraordinary things it can do, you probably want to know how to access it. Now, unfortunately, the answer is not as straightforward as you might think. Unlike ChatGPT, which lives on a browser that you can easily visit, you need to download specific software and be familiar with Python to access it. The basic requirements are Python 3.8, an OpenAI API key, and a Pinecone API key. After you install and acquire all of these, you shall be able to use Auto-GPT.